Fire protection is there to save lives, and the whole market is driven by building control. They decide what fire protection is required and then give the contractors the specification for what is needed. With Zeroflame, you don't need a lot of technical knowledge to choose the right paint. As long as you have the specification from building control telling you what fire rating you need, we'll do the rest and make sure you have the right product. Building control will usually ask for either 1 hour or half an hour's fire protection for structural steel. Or they will ask for a Class 1 or a Class 0 fire rating. Class 1 is the highest standard of fire resistance and relates to the spread of flame on materials like plaster, walls, timber, cladding, tongue and groove ceilings, etc. As an example, timber normally sits at Class 4, and a highly flammable material like paper or polystyrene sits at Class 7. Class 0 materials must not only meet Class 1 standards, but also pass a fire propagation test that measures the amount of heat released. Once we know the specification for the project, we'll need to know the sizes and dimensions of the material to be painted. If it's timber, we'll need to know if it's solid, is it inside or outside, has it been previously coated, etc. But there won't be any questions that require expert technical knowledge or an architect to answer. If someone comes to the counter, the main things they need to know at the start are: what is the substrate? Is it timber, plaster or metal? What's the fire rating you need to achieve? Then it's simple to match up the right product. The next step is to call us or go onto our website. On the phone, we will run through the calculations with you, and on the website, you can simply go through the calculators available to work out the amount of paint required and then take the sale from there. On our website, www.zeroflame.co, click on the appropriate product at the bottom of the home page. Here you will find data sheets, safety sheets, and the calculator. Simply follow the prompts on the page, and when you hit submit, it will provide you with the amount of paint needed for the project. Also on the home page, you'll find the certification tab. Click here and then select your product. Fill in your personal, product and project details and the proof of purchase. The cost is £10 and you will be emailed a link to download your certificate very quickly. No need to wait for the post. Zeroflame Aquasteel WB Plus is formulated to achieve half-hour and 1 hour protection on structural steel. For example, if someone has done an extension and put a steel beam in the loft. Then we have two products that will achieve the Class 0 spread of flame and heat release standard. Zeroflame Fire Retardant Treatment, a clear impregnating solution that soaks right into the timber itself and can be used inside or outside to give a clear finish on timber. Zeroflame Paint is an incandescent fire retardant paint. This is only for use inside on internal linings. It can go on previously coated surfaces like plaster and timber, etc. We began in fire retardant coatings nearly 50 years ago in 1976. Then in 2000 as Decor Ireland, we introduced the Zeroflame brand as part of our offering to the wholesale market across the UK. Today we supply into the decorating, light hardware, homeware and light homeware markets under the trading name of Relay Global. Service and simplicity are the key to what we do, making it easier for the merchant and the end user to get the right amount of the right product.